down from the north late tonight and Wednesday, which will give the eastern plains a chance for more light snow or flurries. Highs today will vary from the 30s